Upon the court having found that Justice Awich's prior conduct as Supreme Court judge was not insignificant and may have been relevant to the consideration by the Judicial and Legal Services Commission of whether or not to refer for investigation to the Belize Advisory Council the matter of his removal as a Court of Appeal judge. And upon the court having found that the Judicial and Legal Services Commission was wrong as a matter of principle to have found that the request for the removal of Justice Awich was misplaced and misguided and premature, as his appointment to a new office of a Justice of Appeal was the commencement of a new situation, but that the Judicial and Legal Services Commission ought to have engaged in a consideration of the relevance of Justice Awich's alleged misbehavior and or inability as a Supreme Court judge to his functioning as a Court of Appeal judge. Upon the court having found that the evidence put before the Judicial and Legal Services Commission was capable of amounting to, and therefore could have amounted to, misbehavior and or inability to discharge the functions of the office related to the office of the Court of Appeal, and therefore that the Judicial and Legal Services Commission did not properly exercise its discretionary power with regards to its consideration of the passing of the complaints to the Belize Advisory Council, the court does declare that Justice of Appeal Awich's conduct as a Supreme Court judge prior to his appointment as Justice of Appeal is relevant to the consideration of the question of inability to perform the functions of office or misbehavior under Section 102(2) of the Constitution. In the Judicial and Legal Services Commission, consideration of the claimant's complaint. 2, the decision of the Judicial and Legal Services Commission dated 14 November 2012 declining to refer the claimant's complaint is unlawful, void, and of no effect. And it is hereby ordered that the claimant's complaint against Justice Awich is referred back to the Judicial and Legal Services Commission for it to reconsider its position